Good morning, George McGovern Middle School. As you've had a chance to process our Eagle Work Completion Program designed to help and support you get your work done and learn, there have been a few questions that have come up that I want to address with you guys because I think they're really good ones. The first one is what if I have basketball practice or a music practice or some other practice after school and I'm supposed to go to Eagle Work Completion? Believe it or not, the first goal here is learning and getting the things done we need to get done. And this is the opportunity and time we have to support you. So if you are in one of those activities and you have 3 or more missing assignments and you're on that list, on that Wednesday, you will go down to your team area or your grade area and they'll help you get those done. Now, this is not meant to be a punishment because you didn't get things handed in. This is meant to be the support you need to get it done and to learn. So if it only takes you 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes to get that done and it's done well and you've learned what you need to learn, what will happen is at that time you'll be dismissed to go to your practice and we'll get you there. The other question is, how do I get home? Excellent question. The answer to that is you can do one of two things. One is your parent can pick you up that evening. So if you know it's going to take you maybe a half hour to get the support you need and get the work done, you can ask your parent to arrive at school around 4:15, 4:30. And if you have completed your homework and you don't need the help from your teachers anymore, and you got all the activities done you need to do, you can then go to the front of the school, meet your parent, and go home. We get that not everybody's parents can come get them because they're working hard and doing what they can for your family. So if you're in that situation, you will have to stay in the Eagle Work Completion Program until 5:30. At that time, you're going to be able to get on the after school program bus and ride home. So I hope those answer a few of those questions. If you have more questions and you see me in the hallway, please ask me or ask your Pro Time teacher and they'll get those questions to me and we will address them if we can. I want to talk about one more of our core values with the Eagle Work Completion and how it fits into what we're doing, and that is courage. For us, courage means choosing strength over comfort. Guys, I got to tell you, I remember what it was like to be an 8th grader, and I often wanted to choose comfort over strength. I wanted to zone out of class. I wanted to mess around with my friend. Sometimes I just wanted to sit and do nothing. For me, this happened for several reasons. Sometimes I was just distracted by my friends and having a good time. Sometimes I stayed up all night playing this really cool video game called the Nintendo, and I just stayed up too late playing it, and I was tired, and it was hard for me to get engaged. Other times, maybe it was just difficult, and I didn't want to be embarrassed, or maybe I just wasn't interested in it. And all those are true. Those are happening in your life. There's a variety of reasons why it might be difficult to engage. But when you hit that moment, I want you to think about not choosing the comfortable thing, not choosing the easy thing. I want you to choose strength over comfort. That's courage for us. Every class period you show up into, choose strength over comfort, engage in that activity, see what you can do for learning. Let us help you during the class time, during directed studies and pro time, and only if absolutely necessary and you need that time, we'll help you out on Wednesday night.